Hello, I'm Frank and welcome to the CAE in Swansea. The CAE is an organization that supports people from ethnic diversity background to set up their own businesses, but also to become economically active and be part of local community. WCVA have been with us since the beginnings. They've helped us grow. So we were just a group of volunteers, no funding, no building. We used to be based in Cardiff, that's where we started. And we decided to move from Cardiff to Swansea because we had a big demand from people based in Swansea.
Compass were there at the start with WCVA. We're a cooperative development agency covering the whole of Wales and helping people to formulate the companies and develop the business plans and train the board up to run the social enterprises. So if we want to move people and businesses along that trajectory, then we need to give them access to finance that is repayable and affordable.
The funding enables us to achieve our dreams, to have a home, to have a building where we can run our own activities.
Coming to a new country, especially if you don't speak the language very well, it's extremely difficult to get by, and then the CAE is a support, and that's why I think it's very important for the community here.
I think you've got to have that mix of space that's available for community use, but also the space that can be commercialised and where you can earn an income to subsidise the social good you want to do.
One of the outcomes from the grant was to create jobs, and that's what we've actually done here. You can see the impact in the local communities.
I started out as a volunteer and I've been working with the CAE since February now. The CAE is very important because it creates that community where everybody feels welcome, everybody feels like they have a direction on where to go.
The CAE means everything to me. I think based on my personal experience of facing challenges, there's a lot of people who are feeling unsettled, they're feeling isolated, and having a hub like this, it means a lot to them because they can come here, they can feel, there's hope. For now and the future, it's an asset that is helping everybody in the local community.
So a big pen-blwydd hapus to Social Investment Cymru.
Pen-blwydd hapus.